Hello devs, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about the abstract factory design pattern. To better understand the abstract factory design pattern, I highly suggest visiting the previous video of the series, which is about the factory method design pattern. What is abstract factory design pattern? It is a creational design pattern that provides an interface for creating families of related objects without specifying their concrete classes. Since it is an extension from the factory method design pattern, let's take the example from the previous video, the restaurant. We do have beef burger and have a veggie burger. What if we want to create variations of those different types of burgers? What are the elements of the abstract factory design pattern? I like to think of it as two groups, the factories and the products. The abstract products represent the different types of objects we want to create. The concrete products are the variations of each abstract product. Then we have the abstract factory, which contains the set of methods responsible for the creation of the abstract products. Then we have the concrete factories that implement the abstract factory corresponding to each specific variant of products. Here we can see the UML class diagram representation of the abstract factory design pattern structure. This group on the right represents the products. And you can see the different types of products. Abstract product A at the center, being extended by the concrete products A1 and A2. Similarly for abstract product B at the center, its children, concrete product B1 and concrete product B2, representing its variations. On the left side, here we have the factories. At the center, we have the abstract factory that contains the creation methods for each specific abstract product. Then the concrete factories have the actual implementation for each abstract factory methods. On the left, we have this representation of the client code that wraps the abstract factory for usage. In our code example, we're going to do it directly in the main method. Here in the IDE, we have the abstract factory project. I left the factory method project for a reference so we can remember the restaurant example. So in the factory method, if we go to our restaurant factory, I'll pull up the diagram. You can pause the video, quickly take a look at this diagram here. Let's say we want to create different types, different variations of those burgers. Not talking about the chicken burger. I'm talking about variations of the beef burger, variations of the veggie burger. Let's say the beef burger can be prepared in a different way, the American style, the Italian style, Brazilian style. In the abstract factory restaurant, if I get the diagram, this is the evolution of the factory into the abstract factory design pattern. So let's focus on the products first. Here on the right, we first have the burger reference, the burger interface, representing the default burger style. Then we have the beef burger and the veggie burger. But now I want to create the different variations, or the American beef burger and the Italian beef burger, for both beef burger and the veggie burger. Now let's go to the abstract factory. So if we open up the project, first package, we have the structure of the abstract factory design pattern. I'll pull up the diagram again. This is the diagram we've seen in the slides, and this code matches this diagram. So group on the right being our products. So here, let's start with the abstract product A. So this is abstract product A. Here we have an abstract class representing one type of product. It has only one abstract method. Similarly, abstract product B also only has one method. It's also an abstract class. Then we create variations of those different abstract products. Here we have the concrete product A1. So here, concrete product A1 is one variation of the abstract product A. Since abstract product A is an abstract class, we have to provide the body of the method. Then we have another variation of product A, which we named product A2. So product A2 also extends from abstract product A, so we have to provide the body. Abstract product B extends two different products, B1 and B2. So B1, the first variation, extends from abstract product B, which has the same method. B1 does stuff. Then we go to B2, concrete product B2 provides the implementation for abstract product B. Now, how do we create those instances? Let's dive into the abstract factory. The abstract factory has the creation methods. Note that it returns the abstract products. So for abstract factory, we have the two factory methods. So our abstract factory has the method create product A, and it returns abstract products A. Since we have our abstract products A return type, it means that this method is going to return the variations of each type of the A product. Same idea for the concrete product B. So let's go to the concrete factories now. Here we have the concrete factory 1, which is going to create the variation 1, so A1 and B1, and the concrete factory 2 that generates the variations A2 and B2. So concrete factory 1 is going to implement the abstract factory, meaning that we have to override the method create product A and the concrete product B. Since the return type is abstract product A, and we're talking about the variation 1, we're going to return a new instance of the concrete product A1. Similarly, for product B1, the overridden method returns abstract product B. We want to return a concrete product B of type B1, so we return a new instance of concrete product B1. If we go to our main method, we can see the factories in use. So first, let's run this. As we run this, you get to see all the products printing something or doing something. A1, B1, A2, and B2. Let's evaluate the code now. So first we have a reference to abstract factory, could be either one of them, and we instantiate the concrete factory 1. So I'll have the 1 variation first. Then we have another reference variable for an abstract factory, and we instantiate to the concrete factory 2. First, I'm creating a reference variable for the products A. You can see abstract product A here. And from my factory 1, I will create a product. Since I'm creating an A product more specifically. So from product A1 reference variable, I invoke the method doStuff. It prints A1. So it's correlated. For B, abstract product B, now we're going to create product B1 reference variable. So from my factory 1, I will create product B. So hopefully it'll give me B1. When I call product B1 and the method, it gives me B1. Same ideas for the factory number 2. Reference variable, abstract product A. You can see that this is the same one. We just have different variable names here. Product A2. So from the factory variation 2, create a product. That factory creates A2s, as we've seen. Abstract product B, same idea. Product B2 is just the reference variable. From that factory 2 that we created, give me a product B. So I'll get a variation B2. Let's talk about the restaurant example again. So I'll collapse this one and I'll open up my factory method again. So from my factory, just to get the diagram again, this is the representation of our restaurant in the factory method design pattern. You can see that we have the burger product, which defines the beef burger and the veggie burger. What if you want to have variations of each burger, the beef burger and the veggie burger? So the American style, Italian style, Brazilian style, Canadian style, different styles of each burger. Only one factory, in this case, the 2 separate factories, are not going to be enough. We're going to need some more. Hence the use of the abstract factory. So here we have the abstract factory restaurant. Let's take a look at the diagram for the restaurant abstract factory. So the group on the right has the burger at its center as the base representation. And we have the different beef burger and veggie burger. So that's our abstract product A and abstract product B. Then we have the variations of each different abstract product. So here at the top, we have American beef burger. It is equivalent to the concrete product A1. I'll get the diagram back. There you see concrete product A1. For the Italian beef burger, that becomes concrete product A2. What about the veggie burger? The ones at the top, we said it's number 1. The ones at the bottom, number 2. So for the veggie burger, we have concrete product B2. Oh, sorry, B1. Down here, we have concrete product B2. Now to the factories at the left. Our restaurant abstract factory, it's our abstract factory. It has the creation methods that return instances of the abstract product. So I want to create American Burger Factory to return the different variations of American Burger. In our case, was the concrete factory number 1, and the Italian beef burger being the concrete factory number 2. So the second variation being the Italian variation. You know that it returns the beef burger and the veggie burger. So you can return American beef burger in the first burger and American veggie burger in the second creator method. We're not using the client. This is just for reference. So I'll put up the other diagram again and you can see the difference. Let's take a look at the code. So to our run abstract factory method, if we run this code, we can see prepare American beef burger, prepare American veggie burger, Italian beef, Italian veggie. So the different variations. Let's take a look at the main method and then we dive into the code. So first we have a reference for the American factory, instantiate the American factory. And here we put everything on the list. So the first method call, we're going to add it to a list, American create the beef burger. And then for each object in that list, we're going to call the prepare method. So the first one was the American beef. So once we call the prepare method, it prints American beef. Then we have American veggie, then we have American create the veggie burger. It returns an instance of the veggie burger, the American style. Italian create beef burger returns an instance of beef burger, Italian style. Italian create veggie burger returns an instance of the veggie burger in the Italian style. And you can correlate with the print statements here. Let's go to burger. Burger being the representation of a burger. Then we created the beef burger, extending from burger. Since we're extending, it does have a method. We're just not adding any other methods here. So we have beef burger and veggie burger behaving exactly the same. Then you have the different variations. So American beef burger, in this case implementing the beef burger, and the American veggie burger, the other variation. Since we're implementing, you have to give the method a body. For the Italian style, as it is the same idea. So Italian beef burger implementing the beef burger, we have to implement the method. Italian veggie, same idea. Now let's go to the factories. So restaurant abstract factory, we're representing it as an abstract class. It does have the two create methods. One of them returns a beef burger instance. The other one returns a veggie burger instance. So we're passing the responsibility to the children. So the different variations, the American burger factory, extend from that abstract factory. Since it's abstract, we have to provide the body of the function. The American factory is going to create beef burgers in the American style. So we return a new instance of American beef burger. What about the veggie? Same idea. Create veggie burger in the American factory is going to create a new instance of the American veggie burger. Italian burger factory, same idea. So we're in the Italian variation. We have to create a beef burger. So we return a new instance of this product, the concrete product, Italian beef burger. Same idea for the veggie. In the Italian version, we have to return a new instance of the Italian veggie burger. What are the key points of the abstract factory design pattern? First, we have the abstract factory themselves. Then we have the concrete factories that implement those abstract factories. And of course, dealing with families of related products. I hope this video helped you understand a little bit more about the abstract factory design pattern. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for new videos. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.